Hi everybody, my name is Larry and I'm here with my son-in-law Dave, and we are here to talk about under-counter lighting. You see, at my age, an old senior, I have a tough time on the workbench trying to find tools. So, got hold of my son-in-law here and he got hold of AQL and...
Easy as can be. AQ
Yeah.
Lighting has a variety of products that are just so easy to work with. This is a great example. As you can see, it's kind of a dark space, and Larry and I are doing constant projects, and a lot of times I don't like to run a lot of lights. You can come in now and pop these two guys right on. These two units with a nice connector at a really good price, great quality, took me less than 20 minutes to install, and really great lighting as well. So now we come out here, we got no troubles. It's an easy on, it's an easy off, and my bill is low as can be because it's LED lighting. AQL is an amazing company, great products.
Can't beat the service either. So, thank you very much for having us on. Dave?
Have a great Saturday.